Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add music to CapCut. And this is quite simple. So first of all, select the project that you want to use or want to start. I want to start this project already that I made just right here. And from here we click on the option audio. Then from here we go to sounds, and now we can search for a sound that we like. Now I want to add a song from Drake. Let's search for that. But if you can see, you can't find the exact same songs from Drake because those songs are copyright and CapCut can't use that songs in their edit machine. So right now I want to use the Drake style Life is Good, and right now we can listen to that. Now this is nice. Now let's add this one, so click on the plus icon, and right now if you can see we just added some nice music to it.
Welcome to this video.
It's a beat that someone created, but hey, that's fine for now. Okay, right now if you export this video, you can export this video with the audio, and if you click on the audio you have a lot of edit options like changing the volume, the speed, maybe add some effects. You can check it by yourself, but this is the fastest way how you can add music or add music to your video. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.